Hello guys, so this is the Navigator 50-liter tail bag, which is made up of full Cordura fabric. So basically Cordura is a most abrasion resistant fabric, so you can consider this. It has a 3 dry bag inside of this, which is mainly, so you can see that this is 3 dry bags, which is 12, 12 and 24 liter. So your main 48 liter luggage is fully waterproof, and this is the rain cover for the rest of all compartments. You get a mounting strap with the bag, so you can keep your main luggage here, which you want to be keep it dry. Also of the ride, you can place your riding jacket inside of these 2 flaps, so you can carry it easily. You don't need to carry it in your hand. Here you get a 3 stash pocket, 1 mesh pocket here, which is for your extra luggage and quick accessories. These are the 3. After that, it will convert it into a backpack. So once you are off the bike, you can convert it into a backpack, and it has a dedicated helmet hanger for the back. So you can mount your helmet here with the help of the strap, so you can carry it on your backpack and carry it comfortably. So you get a 1 extra stash pocket here and 2 pockets on your side. It will cost you 6,850. Yes.